I want to share with you yung natutunan ko sa aking journey in building my career and having a freelance business of my own and reaching this point where I love what I'm doing. Remember, there must be some principles, some guidelines do sa journey ninyo. I would like to share with you 3 points, no? Number 1 is passion. Number 2 is what you can be good at. Number 3 is what drives your economic engine or saan ka ba kumikita. So, tatlo yan. Imagine tatlong circles. Papakita ko mamaya. No? I actually borrowed this from a book on business by Jim Collins. It's entitled Good to Great. Ang book na yon nagsasabi kung paano nagiging great ang isang company. Pwede mo din i-apply sa individual. Kaya, hiniram ko to. Passion, what you can be good at, and what drives your economic engine or saan ka kumikita. You know, these 3 elements are very important. 1, passion. If you're passionate in something, you can be very good in doing that thing. And if you're good in doing the thing, you can make an income out of it. Diba? If you don't have an income, perhaps it's hard to have passion. Hindi mo masasabing magiging passionate ka kasi paano kung nagugutom ka. If you can be very good in what you're doing, you can develop the passion for it and you can have a very good income. So, those 3 things are important to consider, no? But then, for you to see that happening in your career, it takes a long time. For some people, pwedeng maiksi lang ang kanilang journey, no? Kasi malinaw ang kanilang talents. Pero hindi naman lahat ganun eh. In my case, it took a long time. Pero na-realize ko, as those 3 factors converge, imagine mo, tatlong circle, nagko-converge siya, you will realize that you were made for that. Kasi yung what you're good at is dependent on your ability. The ability that God gave you. So, importante na in your journey, you put God at the center. Jesus Christ, who died on the cross for you, so that you can live in His presence, live in His kingdom, is going to reveal to you as you walk with Him. Yung tatlong yon. And eventually, they will converge. Eventually, you will see yourself doing something that is purpose by God, and therefore, because you're fulfilling your purpose, you're actually becoming passionate for it, and you realize that you are very good in doing it, and therefore, it drives your economic engine or kumikita ka. So, tatlo yun. Passion, what you're good at, and where you're making money. Very important. It takes sometimes a long time for those 3 points to converge, pero tandaan mo, if you have God at the center and you walk with Him, eventually, makakarating ka. What makes a person happy is that he is fulfilling God's purpose for his life. After all, God naman nagbigay sa atin ng talents, giftings, and ability. And God is the one who provides for us, diba? So He wants to provide for us abundantly. And when you're passionate in what you're doing, you can be the best in that field. That's where you will have prosperity and success.